2018 Acura RDX Garage Door Opener Programming. Car 01. Technology Package. Bi-directional remote engine starter. AcuraLink connectivity system. Superior handling all-wheel drive. Heated leather seating. Power sunroof. 8 LED backlit display. Rear view camera. Acura ELS Surround registered 410-watt premium audio system with 10 speakers, hard disk drive, HDD, media storage, in-dash CD player and Dolby registered Pro Logic. Leather-wrapped steering wheel. Mounted audio controls. Hands-free connections. Adaptive cruise control. Acura Navigation System with voice recognition. Blind spot information, BSI, system. Cross-traffic monitor system. Forward collision mitigation. Lane keep assist. Rain sensing windshield wipers. Enjoy the power of the 3.5 liters V6 engine that's matched with the super handling all-wheel drive system. Outside heads will turn noticing the jewel-eye LED headlights and 18 inches alloy rims. Please see dealer for details. Vehicle may not be exactly as shown. Pricing does not include tax. MVIC licensed. Southview Acura is proud to regularly serve our clients. We're ready to help you find the right car to fit your needs, your wants, and your budget. And, of course, we're always happy to answer any of your questions. Come find the SUV of your dreams. Call or come in today to talk to one of our Southview Acura product specialists. $5,000 cash rebate available only on the cash purchase of new and previously unregistered 2018 Acura RDX, TB4H3JJNX, RDX Tech, TB4H5JKNX, and 2018 RDX Elite, TB4H7JKN, models from an authorized Acura dealer when registered and delivered before November 30, 2017. Total incentives consist of $1,500 that cannot be combined with lease, finance offers, and $3,500 that can be combined with lease, finance offers. All incentives will be deducted from the negotiated selling price after taxes. Some terms, conditions apply. Model shown for illustration purposes only. Offers end November 30, 2017 but are subject to change, extension or cancellation without notice and are only valid for Alberta residents at Alberta Acura retailers. Retailer may sell, lease for less. Retailer order, trade may be necessary. While quantities last. See your Alberta Acura retailer for full details. Copyright 2017 Acura, a division of Honda Canada Incorporated. MVIC licensees.